What's up everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to see how we can implement the shine effect that you can see in many games. So let me play this. So as you can see, like, we have like two different variants of shine. On this blue one we have a continuous loop of shine, and on this pink one we have a shine with some delay. So as you can see, like, once the cycle is complete there is a 2-second delay and then the shine comes. And furthermore, what we can do is we can change the shine color. As you can see, we can change the alpha of the shine, and we can increase the width, as you can see, and we can change the angle of the shine, and we can definitely change the speed of shine. Okay, so let's see how to create this. So I am using the 2D URP Universal Render Pipeline project, and I'm using the Unity version 6.3.8 F1. So what you need to do is we need to create a shader. So go to your assets and right click and go to create, and from here you have to go to the shader and click on this URP unlit shader. Okay, once you create this, just rename it to URP shine sweep, as you can see right here, and open this up. I will put this code in the description. You can copy from there, or in the comment, in the first comment I will put this code. And when you create this shader, there will be like some code already written, so you have to remove that and replace it with this. And then you need to come back and right click on this shader and go to create and create a material for it. So as you can see, I have this material right here. So nothing else you have to do, and then go to your button, and inside this image in the material just put your material, this newly created, right here. And then you will see you can change the speed, you can change the width, you can change the color and the opacity. Okay, so let's play. Okay, now the best thing is just match the color of your button, whatever you have, and it will look more realistic, as you can see right here. The same process you have to do with this other button. You have to create a new shader and a new material, and I have here shine with delay. So let me open this up, and here is the contents of this. I will put these one also. Same, you have to replace this and then go back and create a material just like that, and you need to replace the material right here.